The Milwaukee FASTBACK 6-in-1 knife is very impressive. With the variety of different features and applications, this is a gift that keeps on giving and it's a must-have for your toolkit. And it's available now at its.co.uk. Now, starting with the flip out blade, I mean, look at this, silky smooth flip. Now this takes your standard knife blade, but there's a little bit down here, you can see it's the bottom half of the blade, and you can use this as a cable stripper, and you also have convenient storage down here for a second blade. And then on the opposite side, you have a handy screwdriver. This saves you from having to pick up a separate tool. And this is also something you don't really notice when holding the knife. It doesn't take up too much space when you're holding it. And this is a 1/4" hex bit holder, and the bit in here is double-sided, so you've got a Phillips and a slotted head screw. And then once you're done working, you can use the bottle opener on the end to crack open a cold one and kick back. And then you can store this tool in a variety of ways with a lanyard hole at the bottom and a belt clip. Until Milwaukee released a 12-in-1 tool that drives your car and reads your bedtime stories, this is a brilliant tool to have, and it's clear to see why it's such a fan favourite.